I've been growing my beard for the past 10 months now, and it's a bit of a mess. It's time to clean it up. I actually haven't touched my beard for the past 3 months, and the sides are really messy. I got a bit of length here, and what's happening is the hair is curling. It just doesn't look nice. So the first thing I'm gonna do is gonna grab a comb and comb my beard. And it already looks better, but the sides still are sticking out a little bit. That's gonna be the main focus. When you're trimming a decent sized beard like this, you want to trim it in a natural state. The reason is if you wash it, blow dry it, it's gonna be nice and tidy, but in about an hour, 2 hours, it's gonna fluff up and some hairs are gonna pop out. So you should really do it at least 2 hours after a wash. So my sides are pretty long, so I'm gonna trim them now. I could trim them with the clippers, but I'm gonna use the scissors. I just prefer scissors. And now the other side. And my beard looks a lot better already. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my top line. About 4 or 5 months back, I fucked up my top line a little bit. I just went in too deep. So I'm growing it back out slowly and doing it a little bit higher. Next is going to be my neck. I'm not gonna do anything with my mustache yet. I got a couple of months to a year, and once it's gonna be 1 year of growing my beard down, maybe I'll do a proper trim. I also won't do anything with the length. So now I'm gonna wash the beard after the trim, because there are some loose hairs stuck in the beard and I want to get rid of them. Once I wash the beard, I will blow dry it, and then I will show you before and after. Before I look good, now I look really good. In 2 months it's going to be a year. I will see you then.